Good morning, it's Monday the 10th of July and it's a bit of a dull day to start off with. Kiddie Winks are just getting up ready for school. It's 7:30 at the moment. I'm just going to let Bob out so he can stretch his legs. What else are we doing today? Yep, I'm going to have a look at some new cars at the garage. Have a look there. This afternoon, the girly whirlies, I've got an appointment at the dentist for a checkup, and also it's Daisy's parents' evening, so I'll be having a trot down there to see how Daisy's progressed at school. And that's it at the moment, so I'll be back in a bit. We'll find out what else we're doing. Bye. Right, here we are at Toyota. I'm just looking at the new RAV4. This is the RAV4 icon, and it's got all the bells and whistles on, sat nav and everything. And this will be ready soon as. I've just been out for a test drive in another car, and yeah, so it's very nice. This is the seating. Automatic, sat nav, everything. We've even got seating for Daisy. Welcome back. Yep, we've just come back from Daisy's parents' evening, and everything's fine. Yes, she's progressing well. I am dead pleased with the way she's progressing at school. She's currently at the dentist having a checkup with Katie, and then when they come back we're all going out for a meal, and it's curry night, so we're going for a curry. And yeah, so I'm hoping I'll do some filming then. I bought a new car which you'll have seen earlier on in the vlog, a Toyota RAV4 icon. It's got sat nav, it's got all sorts on it, brilliant. I've been for a test drive in the RAV4, and yeah, I can't wait to get it. And apparently, all being well, I shall have it Thursday morning. So only a couple more days and I'll have a brand new car. So great.
One with these.
So there we go, we're in Brewster's and we're just going to have a curry.
Ooh! Yeah.
Kiddie Winks are having chicken nuggets and chips, but everybody else is having curry. There's Grandad.
And it all go.
Right
around. Nana.
Let's have a drink of water.
There's Katie.
Please.
There's Mummy.
You know, coffee.
And there's Daisy. It's not Thursday, it's Monday. And there's me. Just going to place the order up and then we'll get the curry.
Yes, please.
That's the going anywhere or?
Yeah.
In space.
It's penciled it in.
So there we go, Daisy's having chicken nuggets and beans and chips. Diane's got a mixture of white rice, pillow rice.
And Katie's just got chicken nuggets and chips.
Yeah. Then I've got tikka masala and curry. I've got beef madras with garlic naan. We've got a portion of chips to go with it.
That side we've got the salad and chutneys.
Alright, have they?
Yeah.
So there we go.
Well, yeah.
We shall eat. So,
The jungle, isn't it?
Grandad's got a mixture.
You got pork?
Brilliant. So there we are.
Well, here we go. Everybody's eating puddings.
Yeah, I've been eating that
We've got
Yeah, so mine put scratching. This toast
Is it
found
nice?
most of it
Been the
gone.
night Tuesday.
Mummy's got little donuts.
No,
Mama.
not Tuesday. But it's such a big filling, I think she's too out.
Daddy's got ice cream with caramel sauce. Peter's got ice cream with caramel sauce. And Daisy is being very, very healthy. Because you've got
Fruit. One of her fives, and one of her, several of her
There you
fives
go.
are
Unhealthy, unhealthy, unhealthy. Unhealthy. And no one that's healthy.
and Mummy's got nothing. So we'll catch you all later. Bye-bye.
Right, that's the end of our vlog for tonight. So I shall get this uploaded as soon as. Yeah, it didn't go out at 5 o'clock. I've gone right out of sync. I just can't get back into my pattern of filming the day before for my vlog. So obviously I filmed this today, it's going out today. Okay, it's not gone out at 5, but I'm trying to get back into the routine of 5 o'clock vlogs. Been a busy day today, doing the garage. Daisy's done well at school, I'm very happy with her. The dentist, yeah, Daisy needs another checkup in 3 months, and Katie needs a filling. So she's a bit upset about that, but it shouldn't take long to do. And that's it really. Been out for a curry, so I've all stuffed ourselves, and it's now time for bed. So I'm just going to get this vlog done, and hopefully be back tomorrow at 5. I'll try and make it 5, I can't guarantee. So I'll see you later. Bye for now.